ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 50, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6. ಸುರಭಿಲತಮಾ ಮೂರ್ಧನ್ಯೂರ್ಧ್ವಂ ಕುತಃ ಕುಸುಮಾವಲೀ ನಿಪತತಿ ತವೇತ್ಯುಕ್ತೋ ಬಾಲೈಃ ಸಹೇಲಮುದೈರಯಃ. झटिति धनुजक्षेपेणोर्ध्वं गतः तरुमण्डलात् कुसुमणिकरः सोऽयं नूनं समेति शनैरिति. Word by word meaning. Tava Murdhani, on thy head. Surabhilatama, exquisitely fragrant. Kusumavali, heap of flowers. Urdhvam kutaha, from where above. Nipatati, is falling. Iti, thus. Balaihi, by the boys. Uktaha, being asked. Tvam, thou. Dhanuja kshepena, by the throwing of the asura. Taru mandalat, from the cluster of trees. Jhatiti, suddenly. Urdhvam gataha, which went up. Saha, I am. Kusumani karaha, that heap of flowers. Shanaihi, slowly. Sameti, noonam, is certainly coming down. Iti, thus. Sahelam, jokingly. Udairayaha, didst reply. Full meaning. Being asked by the boys, from where above is this exquisitely fragrant heap of flowers falling on thy head? Thou didst reply jokingly that the flowers, which suddenly went up when the asura was thrown on the cluster of trees, were obviously coming down. Om Tat Sat.